next guest says that zero-click searches, where users are finding answers directly on search engines and AI summaries, are killing the internet's business model.
That AI box at the top of Google is now absorbing that content that would have gone to the original content creators. If you look at OpenAI 6 months ago, it was 250 scrapes to one visitor. If you look at it today, it's almost 1,500 scrapes to one visitor. And what that means is that if you're making money through subscriptions, through advertising, visitors aren't going to be seeing those ads. They're not going to be buying anymore. And that means it's going to be much harder for you to be a content creator.
Did you know that you could get free traffic from AI tools like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, X's Grok, and other AI tools? That's right. When you use our new software, your content, your links, and your products can be displayed in ChatGPT's answer box. And the cool thing is, those answers stay there for millions of users to access from that point on. In fact, this is so new that some people are already getting free traffic by accident without even knowing what they're doing. Now imagine this. An online marketer named Chad asks our mini software to write an AI-optimized doc on the best side hustles. The software creates the post, and then he just copies and pastes it online. Now, when people ask ChatGPT, what's a good side hustle, his answer shows up with his link, and he makes money. This isn't Google ranking or SEO. This is a whole new thing I call AI ranking. And right now, it's a gold mine that no one's even heard about. This is the new game that 99% of marketers are not playing yet because they don't even know it exists. Here's why this is so amazing. Traditional search traffic from Google is dying. People just aren't Googling anymore. Now they're asking AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, X's Grok, or other tools like Llama or Claude. But here's the kicker. If you're not inside the machines, then you might as well be invisible. But there is a solution. You can get in now, use this new software that has the AI algorithms built in, and now you can win this new AI ranking software by having your answers seen by millions of users. This is your shot. You can become the go-to answer in your niche, and you can do it now before the rest of the world even knows they should be playing this new game. Today, people are using Google's Gemini to get summaries without clicking. They're turning to X's Grok for real-time answers sourced from X and Twitter. Or maybe they use Facebook's Llama to get their answers. They're definitely asking ChatGPT for all kinds of things, including product recommendations. And this is why traditional search is dying, and this is why it's quietly being replaced by the AI machines. This brand new software and action guide are created to help you win the AI ranking wars that'll soon be here. When you get in right now, your answers can be baked in and stay there, and you'll be there before the masses try to get in. So here's what you're going to get in the free traffic tsunami system. First, you get lifetime access to the AI traffic machine mini software. This mini software hyper optimizes your content for the AI machines. It can even build out entire campaigns automatically for you. It is your strategist, it is your coach, and it is your implementer, actually creating campaigns for you. You can even talk to it using voice mode, just like Jarvis in Iron Man. You also get a step-by-step action guide that goes deep, showing you how the machines think and showing you how to dominate them. It shows you how to optimize content for each individual AI answer box because every AI is a little bit different. Now, I want to emphasize the information in this action guide and the algorithms in this software are not common knowledge. So you're getting access to something truly special and something that's not been seen anywhere else. You're also getting a simple video training walkthrough as I walk you through the entire system and I show you how to automate your infiltration into the machines. Listen, I mean this with everything in me right now. You do not want to miss this incredible opportunity to be here at the very start of a completely new and historic form of traffic, a form of traffic that will dominate marketing for decades to come. Get in today, you'll be so glad you did.